Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Teacher April.
Hi, Teacher Aprilin. Happy birthday po.
To our beautiful advisor, thank you for supporting and guiding and loving us with all your heart. I always appreciate the way you encourage me to think critically, explore new ideas, and push beyond my comfort zone. Your lessons have been more than just academic. They've been life lessons. Thank you for being an amazing teacher, mentor, and role model. You made a lasting impact in our life, and we are grateful for the first time we met spent in the classroom. We love you so much, teacher.
Happy birthday, Teacher Everlyn. Wish ko po na maging healthy po kayo.
Happy birthday to you, Teacher Evelyn, and ingat ka always. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Aprilin.
Happy birthday, Teacher Everlyn. We love you so much. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And enjoy your birthday. Wow, peace! Happy birthday, see you. Happy birthday. Oh,
Birthday, Teacher April. I love you so much. God bless.
Happy birthday, Teacher Aprilin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, Teacher Aprilin. Congratulations, bumigat ng yung timbang. Hindi ka nakasya sa pinto. Hindi ka nakasya sa pinto ng kotse. Yun lang, Teacher Aprilin, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Bye.
Teacher Aprilin, happy birthday. Today is your day. Ito naman sabi ko sa'yo, lagi kang magpipray. Alam mo yun, wala naman tayong ibang sandalan kundi na sa taas. Kung ano may problema, sa kanya mo na ilapit. At thankful ako kasi nakilala ko kayo ni Teacher Gian. Nadagdagan na naman yung mga kaibigan kong luka-luka. Ang lakas mo kasi makaluka-luka eh. Alam mo yun, sarap mong kasama. Yan ang mga gusto kong kaibigan, yung mga tipong parang paano na yung utak, pawala na sa earth, gano'n, charot lang. Pero ang sarap mong kasama talaga. Sana wag ka magbabago, walang magbabago. Kung saan man tayo mapadpad, sana magkamustahan pa rin tayo at wag tayong magkakalimutan. Yun lang naman ang wish ko sa'yo, na sana wag kang magkakasakit, tagalampanigan yung buhay mo na makasama mo anak mo. Siyempre kahit sino man, yun ang hinihiling na bilang isang ina. At ito pa ang masasabi ko sa'yo, love na love kita. Nakuha mo yung ugali ko. Alam mo yun, ang bilis ko sa'yo eh. Yung pagtipong inanuhan mo na ako, ate, tara na. Ang bilis ko ang bilis mo kunin ugali ko eh. Yun. Doon ako natuwa sa'yo. Kasi nakukuha niyo kagad yung ugali ko. Alam niyo naman medyo may pagka-emotional ako, di ba? Katulad ngayon, iyak ako, pero pinitigil ako. Ayoko maging emotional sa'yo. Ang akin lang, thankful ako, nakilala kita. Basta walang magbabago. Ito lang magsabi sa'yo, hanggang gusto mo huminga ka. Hanggang gusto mo lumaklak ka. Kung may atay pa, hanggat may atay. Ang sarap mo kasama eh. Basta hanggang doon na lang tayo sa memorables. Walang pangit na pagsasamahan natin. Kailangan puro memory, happiness ang gagawin natin. Okay? Maraming salamat at ikaw ang nakilala kong kaibigan ko na naragdagdagan sa mundo na kalokohan. Happy birthday. Basta yun na. Wala akong masabi. Nagiging emotional ako sa'yo pagdating sa'yo. Basta happy birthday na lang. Dagdagan panigad yung buhay mo. Haba ang panigad yung buhay mo. Yun lang wish ko sa'yo. Good health. Lagi. Ganun lang. Thank you so much talaga. Mag-iingat lagi. Pray to God always. Love you. Love you, Aprilin. Huwag kang magbabago. Dito lang ako. Basta, dito lang ako lagi. Bye!
Happy birthday, Teacher Evelyn. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Teacher Evelyn. Wish you all the best in life. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord na marami pang birthdays. Sana huwag ka na magjojowa kasi baka sumakit pa ang ulo mo. Char! I love you. I miss you. Mama, chup chup.
Happy birthday, Teacher Evelyn Salonga. Cheers to another trip around the sun. Bago ko sabihin ang aking message for you, may tanong ako. Anong handa natin dyan? Meron ba? The joke lang. I just wanna say, first of all, thank you. Thank you so much. I am very thankful for being a mother figure to us, for being a good friend, and of course, great co-worker. I am so thankful for God na nakilala kita, nakilala ko kayong lahat sa NTY. And I guess, naniniwala na ako na meant to be talaga. Kasi, nag-click tayong lahat and we share a bond na talaga namang masaya, mahirap man ang trabaho, pero pagkasama ko kayo, kasama kita, mas lalo ka na, mas napapagaan ang buhay. Okay? So, I hope na sana hindi ka magbago. Alam ko naman, pero alam mo na, hopefully hindi mo kami makalimutan, hindi mo ako makalimutan, and I hope nandiyan ka pa rin sa amin bilang, alam mo, mother figure. Sawayin mo kami lagi. Alam mo naman na kami. And of course, please always keep smiling through ups and downs na meron ka man sa buhay. Sorry dahil wala pa ako regalo. I can give you some, fancy things for now. But I hope you feel my love and prayers for you and your family. Message mo lang ako palagi kami. Papractice ako. Gagalingin ko ang pag-i-evictus. Para pag tumawag ka or message mo like something, kailangan mo ng tulong, kailangan mo kami, alam mo yun, makakapag-appear ako sa harap mo. Sana nga. I pray and I wish for your family good health, beautiful life, a career, good health, and lastly, may you always surrounded by good people around you and people that hopefully give you strength and keep you smile, and God bless. Thank you so much.
Hi, Chair. So, ayun. Enjoyin mo tong araw na to. Love you. Just so you know, kahit ganyan NTY, hindi ko pagsisisihan na pumasok ako sa NTY. Kasi kung di ako pumasok sa NTY, di kita makikilala. Ganun ka kahalaga sa akin. Si Teacher Cheska, si Teacher Gian, si Teacher Girly, lalo na ikaw. Love you!
Hi, Chur! Happy Evelyn Day! Enjoy your day! Saranghe!
Happy birthday, Chur April.
First of all, gusto kong magpasalamat kay Lord dahil binigyan ka pa niya ng isa pang taon para i-celebrate ang birthday mo. Gusto ko rin siyang pasalamatan dahil ibinigay ka niya sa amin at nakapagbahagi ka ng saya sa maraming tao. Gusto ko magpasalamat, sure. Katulad ng lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, I always appreciate everything you do, especially sa akin na tumatayo ka bilang pangalawa kong ina sa workplace natin. Pag magkakasama tayo, you always take care of me and I couldn't be more grateful for that. I am beyond thankful for everything you're doing, for existing. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na kapag meron kang mga problema, I may not be expressive and sweet and all, pero masasabi ko na I can be there to listen kapag nagve-vent out ka ng anger, ng tampo, ng inis, at kung ano-ano pa na pwede mong i-vent out. I will always be here to listen to that. Sana kapag meron kang mga problema, I hope that you always look for the silver lining, for the brighter side na magiging okay ang lahat. Because you deserve to be happy and to have peace of mind. Hinihiling ko ang best wishes sa mundo para sa iyo at sa anak mo, no. I hope na maging happy kayo, happy ka, happy tayo, lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo, and I hope you always keep laughing, smiling, kasi maraming tao ang nahahawa sa binibigay mong saya. So I hope it doesn't disappear just because of something na, you know, makakapagpasakit sa'yo or whatsoever. So we don't hope for something like that. Maraming salamat for always being there, for taking care of me, for taking care of the people around you. I hope na masurround ka ng mga mabubuting tao sa paligid mo, i-bless ka pa ni Lord, and maging happy ka sa araw na to. Happy birthday again. I love you, Cher.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday! Gusto ko lang sabihin na enjoy your day and thank you for being the best mom and dad kasi ikaw na ang tumayong ama ng tahanan, ilaw ng tahanan and haligi ng ewan ko. Basta, thank you for doing your best and I love you so much. Yun din sabi ni Bliss. Ayun. Walk out na siya. Bye-bye. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah. Bawas-bawasan mo na rin pagiging gala mo kasi napapahamak ka. Joke lang. Bye-bye. I love you so much. Mwah.
Said that makes me feel old. You said, what does that make me? I asked you how it's playing drums. Said it's too much shit to carry. And what about the band? You said they're all getting married. Walking Scott Street feeling like a stranger, with an open heart, open container. I've got a stack of mail and a tall can. It's a shower beer, it's a payment plan. waters over my